The Keyline view helps you in several scenarios, such as cleaning your illustration, managing complex line types within a small assembly, or selecting a specific set of lines that are not easy to select, considering their different properties. Keyline View gives you the ability to switch the representation of all of the shapes in the vector image to lines with thickness equal to 1 pixel. In this view, you can easily see the details that were unavailable in the general view. In this mode, you can easily select desired lines and make necessary adjustments, making authoring of the image much faster and more comfortable for the authors. At any moment, you can go back to the general view to make sure that the properties are meeting the expected result.